With the proposed developments in the Celtic Sea, we're really interested to understand how deploying so much structure offshore in areas that are currently fished could have potential benefits for marine ecosystems. My research group is interested in studying the effects of marine protected areas, ecosystem-based fisheries management, and the effects of blue offshore industries such as aquaculture and marine renewable energy that by adding habitat and structure can have potential positive environmental benefits. And so we've designed a range of non-destructive, cost-effective techniques to study marine ecosystems. The Celtic Sea developments will involve deploying huge amounts of infrastructure over large spatial scales. So this is going to exclude bottom tow fishing from a large area. It's going to create a lot of habitat. We expect that over time that the habitats around the wind turbines will recover and develop biogenic reef species, which in turn create important feeding and nursery grounds for fishes. And so we would like to come with underwater cameras and acoustic telemetry, which means we tag and track all sorts of different fish species to understand how this growing development becomes increasingly important for fisheries going into the future. We've worked in marine renewables since 2007, and over that time we've built some really strong partnerships with marine renewable energy industry, as well as government and regulators of fisheries and conservation. And we've also built particularly strong relationships with local fishermen all around the southwest. The Celtic Sea development will provide opportunity to recover huge areas of seabed, contribute to sustainable fisheries, and also provide essential evidence for this growing industry.